Welcome back to another Z1 video. I'm Austin, and today we are excited to announce the brake master cylinder brace for the 2023 and newer Z. So got this guy right here, and rather than talking about it just for the Z, this applies to all of our brake master cylinder braces, which we have a lot of. Literally all of our core models. So Z32, 3, 4, G35, G37, Q50, Q60, new Z, you guys name it. If it's one of our core models, we have one that fit. I have most of them out here, not every single one, but some variation of each. You want it, we got it. So I personally wanted to do this video, right? When I first heard about this product, I was a little skeptical. Kind of seemed like one of those entry-level products, like, is it worth the money? Does it really make a difference? And just kind of looking at it, I couldn't really tell until I actually filmed the video for the 350 G35 one when we launched it, which is this guy over here. So why do you need this, and why am I such a big advocate for this product? Let's say, looking at it from y'all's point of view, if up here is engine compartment, cabin's over here, as you press the brake pedal, you push a little lever into the brake master cylinder, right? Press the pedal. The actual master cylinder that's bolted to the firewall will flex as you put pressure in it like this, and it absorbs it. You'd be surprised how much of your effort you are putting into the brake pedal. So if you actually check it out here, this footage here, this is the video we originally shot for the 350 G35. And you can see, as I was actually in the car pressing the brake pedal, how much that master cylinder moves forward and flexes. And then the whole point of these guys is to add an extra rigidity point. And you take, like this one for the Q, for example, mount it down. This pad here makes contact with the master cylinder. That way, as you're pressing the brake, rather than the master cylinder kind of flexing up like that, it hits this and keeps it rigid. What does this mean for you as the driver installing one of these? Yeah, it flexes a little bit, stop it. How does it feel? The biggest word I like to use when I talk about this product is confidence. The amount of confidence you have in your feedback, in your braking system after you install one of these is tremendously better. If you guys have ever done like stainless steel brake lines, that kind of feedback, you don't get the flex of the rubber, of that fluid inside. It's like this, and I would actually argue that this improves the response of your brake pedal even more. Is it gonna make your braking distance shorter? No, absolutely not. But the amount of feedback you get, that, like I said, confidence level going into turn one after a long straightaway is going to be amplified significantly. It is a product that I absolutely cannot rave about enough. And you can definitely, especially if you pair this with a set of good pads, good fluid, and stainless steel brake lines, yeah, it's gonna feel like you put a big brake kit on your car. Like, it just, again, the feedback you get is tenfold. So like I said, we're excited to launch this for the new Z, and if you have any of our other core models and you're interested in the master cylinder brace, check it out, along with any OE or other aftermarket needs. You can shop now at z1motorsports.com.